Okay, you guys, so we're taking our nature walk. I wanted to bring you guys along with us to see how beautiful everything is. Mara's over there, sitting over there on his thing. Ryan's behind me. But it's so beautiful out here in nature. Come here. We need to see the map, please. Come here. We need to see the map. We're going to stop up here on this ginormous boulder.
Here you go.
Look at how big and beautiful that boulder is. Can you see it? So much moss on it. Look at all the moss. Touch the moss.
Touch the moss? What?
No wonder why your dad was infatuated with moss.
I know he was infatuated with moss.
Yes.
Look at all these holes.
Look at that. There's a big hole down there.
So many holes like gophers.
No.
Okay, this is off the trail.
Yeah.
Let's go back down this way.
No.
And let's go to the powerhouse now, honey. Amara's gonna lead us to the powerhouse, where we're gonna talk to the scientist, and he's gonna tell us how everything works.
Oh.
Come on, sweetie. Make sure you touch a branch or two, connect with them, say hello to the forest.
Bird hunt.
We're going on a bear hunt.
I want to catch a big one.
We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared.
Didn't sound too convincing.
We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt.
Got my gun.
I got my gun. Pew, 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 pew.
No.
The sun is shining. It's beautiful. Okay, honey, where's the map say? Go next. Sorry, you guys probably can't see a thing, huh? This is the trail, Powerhouse Trail in Tulsa.
Got my binoculars.
It says go that way.
No, it doesn't.
We don't want to go to the jailhouse.
Up to the prison.
But there's tons of berry bushes everywhere and moss everywhere.
We're going to.
You're going to lead us to the powerhouse. On the map. Open your map.
Going to the
Open your map.
powerhouse. We're going to the powerhouse. I got my map. I got my map. I'm not scared.
Map doesn't exist.
I'm
for
not
anything.
scared. Whoa, look at that big river.
Yeah, we
can't
went inside by the
go
river.
over it.
Or I
We
think she
can't
said it's called a
go
lake because it's
over
separated
it.
by the two dams. So,
Over it.
Yeah.
Can't go under it. Can't go under it.
all these roots everywhere and holes where probably animals live. Oh, wait. Something's in there. Okay. We're going up the hill.
Powerhouse.
Let's go.
We're going to the powerhouse. Yeah.
I'm almost out of breath, you guys. Oh my god. We made it. We made it. Hi. Let's go. Okay. Whew. That was nice. Nice exercise. The sun is blinding. So we're walking across this bridge now, which you probably still can't see. But it's an old bridge. Looks very old. And going to the powerhouse. Alright, there's a little section over here where you can enjoy your tea or your beer. This looks like a really cool little cabin. Why can't I see you guys? So think this is the picnic area. There's a lot of picnic tables. Over here. Let's see what this is. It's the blacksmith shop. Oh, my home. You guys, I made it. Let's see if they'll let me in.
You can see holes through it. Oh, I can see stuff in there.
They locked it today, but I'll be back. Let me see. There's a window.
And there's a This is actually a
Blacksmith.
back
This is where my ancestors would have worked for hours and hours on end to build and create the tools needed and the weapons for war. Looks like somebody is charging something here. Looks like a battery and a couple things. So this is the lower powerhouse, it says. So constructed in 1897. Amara, please don't. Come away from there.
Don't.
The lower powerhouse
Come here.
is designed to produce additional electricity. Hold on, my daughter's trying to electrocute herself.